today's first look, we have lot number 757. This is a 2019 Ford GT. This GT has over $98,000 in options, which includes the Equipment Group 400A, the extended color palette, 6-point seat belt harness anchors, over-the-top stripes. Those were $15,000. The extended color palettes, $30,000. You see how you get to $98,000 pretty quick. It also has the gloss carbon, which I love the look of that against the matte finish on it. Inside, it also has the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The silver painted brake calipers really are accented by the 20-inch gloss painted forged wheels and the black indoor car cover to hide this baby when you're at home. It is powered by the EcoBoost 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, pumping out 647 horsepower, 550 foot-pounds of torque, mated to the 7-speed double-clutch automatic transmission. It has the launch control interior in it. Stopping power comes by way of Brembo carbon ceramic brakes. This GT has been driven. It has 5,000 miles on it since new. GTs are one of the world's most exclusive supercars, and this one can be yours, selling with no reserve at our upcoming Houston auction, October 20th through the 22nd. Be there. Last person with their hand in the air gets an opportunity to drive home in a beautiful Ford GT.